Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. From today onwards, we will be solving medium level questions. Okay, so let's start solving question. So show unique birth years from patients and order them by ascending. So what they are asking? So we need to extract years from a given date. So here in this patient's table, you can see that there is birth date. Here there is birth date. So in this birth rate, we need to extract year from that, and then they should be unique. They should be unique. So and then we need to order them as in a ascending order. So what are all the process we need? Select from order by. Order by. So from which table we are extracting? From patient's table. So what are all the columns we are extracting? Actually, they are asking for unique things, right? So to extract unique, so what we can do? We can use distinct, right? Distinct of, and then here they are asking not about date, they are asking about year, they are asking about year. So in the date itself, year will be having, right, isn't it? So let's say today's date, it is 07/08/2023. So this is the date, it has 2023 the year, right? So to extract year from the date, we can use year of birth date as unique date, unique years, let's say. So we need to order them in ascending. So unique years ascending. Anyhow, if you do not mention also, no problem, because ascending is a default order. So let's check it. Yeah, we got correct answer. And then we let's solve another question today. So show unique first name from the patient's table, which only occurs once in the list. Once in the list. For example, if two or more people are named John in the first name column, then don't include their name in the output list. So if two different people is having John as the first name, so we are not supposed to include them. So simply we can say that, let's start solving. Otherwise, select from. Okay, from which table? From patient's table we are selecting. And then what they are asking to select? Distinct of first name. Distinct of first name, right? So up to here we are selected some columns. Now to do this type of things, we need to group by. We need to group it. So group. So group by first name. Group by first name. So what happened? There could be a number of John. Let's say as a given example is of John. So let's take. So in the patient's list, there will be a number of patients who is having first name as John, isn't it? It could be happen. So what I am doing? First I am grouping them. And then I am checking if the count is one. See, which occurs only once in the list. Once in the list. So what happened in the given patients table, it will be having unique patients, right? Unique patients. But first name could not be unique. First name could not be unique because two different patients have first name as John. So what I am doing here, I am giving a condition for the group by class. So count of having count of first name is equals to 1. So in this type of cases, the first name will be repeating only once in the column. Only once in the column. So this is how I am doing this query. So let's check it. Yeah, we got correct answer. So thank you for watching. Please to subscribe and share the content.